Peppa! Really? Peppa. I just got sharted on.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
This is my house TV.
Damn.
My house. My house. My house. It's my house TV. Hey, my house TV. Man, I ain't posted a video in a while of me and this crazy girl back there, my African Grey Parrot Peppa. So we're gonna give you a little me and her date. Kids in here watching Peppa Pig. Peace and harmony and with the world. Well, that's right, boo. I see you over there, Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Ha! Peppa Bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Ha! There's my beautiful girl. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. It's my pretty bird there. Look at you. Hey, pretty bird. Peekaboo. Can you tell him peekaboo? Huh? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. No? Well, she's now 7 months, man. 7 months, man. You 7 months already? Yeah. Hey, pretty bird. Hey, pretty bird. Yeah, she's not eating like all the other birds eat, man. That she throw her food all everywhere. She got some delicious food in there. What's up, boo? You want to say hi? Hey, Peppa. Hey, Peppa. I gotta get her, it's cleaning day today. I gotta get her stuff all cleaned up. Hey, pretty bird. You wanna come with me? Alright, let's see if pretty bird wanna come with me. Wanna come with me? Come on, step up. Ah, don't get that earring. Peppa. No. No. That's bad. Step up. No. Come on. Peppa, really? Peppa. No. Peppa, really? Come on, step up. Come on, come with that. Really? That's how you gonna do me? That's how you gonna do me, really? We on camera and that's how you... Peppa, really? Peppa, that's my shades. You wanna put on my shades? I know you don't. Peppa, really? Hey, come on. Let's go in the living room. Come on, step up. Come on. Really? That's what you're gonna do to me? On camera? Really? So we're gonna do it on my house? Really? Peppa, that is so naughty. You are a naughty bird. You're trying to... Let me kiss her. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You want some head rub? Really? Come on, get some head rub. Come on. Give me some red head rub. Oh, oh yes, we love head rubs, aren't that right? Uh-huh. Alright, step up. Come on, let's go. Peppa, really? My shake? No, you're not getting my ring. She took the other one out. I don't know where the back piece at. That's why it's not in there. Hey. Peppa. Peppa, peekaboo. 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 You wanna come? Come on. Come on. Good girl. You cannot get my earring though. Let's go. Nope. Let's go in the living room. Let's go in the living room, naughty girl. Naughty girl. Alright. Okay. What's up, boo? What's up? You say hi to the camera? Cause I know you want to eat the camera. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Really? So this the treatment I get? This the treatment I get? This the treatment I get, really? So this is the treatment I get, people. This is how she feel about this. My shades in the situation. Hey, boo. Hey, you gonna say hi to my house TV? Say it. No? Okay, whatever. Alright, back to this crazy girl. What's up, boo? Hmm? You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi? Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Really? You so crazy. You wanna go play on your Peppa, really? 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 So how I'm gonna look cool in all my videos is you gonna eat my shades? Really? It's crazy, bro. Well, anyways, Peppa, man, like I said, she's 7 months. 7 months now. She likes me, my wife, Takaya sometimes, Travis. But this one, really? Really? Peppa! Really? Peppa! I just got sharted on! One thing about Peppa, she don't really like pooping on our shoulder. So when it's time to come down, she go down to do her little do, and she just doodled on my leg. It just hit my leg. It hit my leg. Can't believe you, Peppa. Really? After all the things that we've been through, and you gonna do me like that? Really? Really? You gonna do me like this? She got my glasses all messed up. Alright, I'm gonna see if she wanna eat some of this delicious orange. You wanna eat some of this delicious orange with me? Mr. Delicious Orange? Nice and juicy. Want to eat some of it? She gonna throw it. She's sucking the juice. She's actually eating today. I think she's a little, what they call bougie, or a lot. It's on my arm, really? On my nose? That's how you gonna do me? After all the stuff that we've been through? Oh, I thought I was gonna eat this one. Oh, that's nasty. That's real nasty. Let's wear a mouth on it. A little tongue. I see how we like doing. That's hers. Pull y'all a little closer. Look at that. Oh, she eating it now. Eat on. She's gonna take her big bite. You need a big bite? Huh, boo? Peppa. Oh, she's into it today. Last night she was throwing it everywhere. Look at what? What? Really? Really? Oh, she got me. You see yourself on camera, boo? That's my house. You can't just be messing up the... Really? No, don't throw that. Eat that. Oh my gosh. Look at her. She's a savage. You a savage? She's a good bird, man. Like I said, she's an African Grey. 7 months. Right now, she do not want to deal with the youngest 2. Van. Van. Let me show you what she does with the little one. Van. Alright, here's Savannah. Come over here. Here's Savannah. Alright, try to touch the bird. Try to touch the bird. I want to show them what the bird do to you. Go ahead, try to touch the bird. You want to touch the bird? Alright, she don't want to touch the bird right now, so. But anywho. Oh, look what she got on my hair. Orange. Alright, so she's over there. Look what she's doing. She's eyeing her. Touch her. Touch her. Touch her tail. Touch her tail. She knows she's behind her. Touch her tail.
Get me.
You try to get her. She gonna try to eat her. Like eat her. Yeah. I don't know what to deal with that. So if you're a bird expert, please give me some tips. So this beautiful girl can stop eating my fingers. Don't bite. No. No. Don't bite. So Takaya here, she's gonna try to pet her. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so she lets Takaya pet her sometimes. So I'll show what's wrong with her. You know. She's gonna try to eat me because she's gonna think I'm probably the baby or something. Oh, no. She wanna get away. She was just yelling in my ear and my ears ringing. So my bird experts out there. If you have an African Grey, I heard they are a little different from other birds. So I need to know what I need to do to get her to stop doing that. Step up. To stop doing that. Alright, so we're finna put her on our little up on. She's got her nails clipped. She can't dig her nails into me no more. Alright, let's take her to her little play. Come on, you gotta go from down to up. Come on. Come on down. You gotta climb. You gotta exercise. You gotta get her exercise. You gotta exercise. Can you take that broom in the kitchen for me, please? The broom. Can you take it in the kitchen for me, please? Yes. Alright. I had to close the vertical because it wasn't good for the camera. You gonna try to touch her? Alright, the baby's back. Alright, let's see what she does with the baby. This is what she does with the baby. You wanna try it, Tay? Alright, Tay finna come. And this is what she does with Tay. Up. Don't bite. Yeah. That's what she does. I'm not sure what's wrong with her. Why she don't like the little ones. You better watch what you doing. Or she'll get you. Oh, scared you.
I'll
then actually I can get a big one.
Hmm?
Well, actually, the big one right there.
That's what this is.
No bite.
No bite. Alright, let's see if she can do some tricks or something. Let's see. Alright. Peppa. Hey, Peppa. Look what I got. Nope. Give me a hand. 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 Good girl. Give me the other hand. Nope. Other hand. 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 Give me a hand. Peppa. Give me a hand. She won't head rub when she put her head down. Alright, head rub. Alright. Here. Good girl. Hey, Peppa. Look. Give me big wings. Big wings. Oh, good girl. Yeah. That's what I've been working on with her ever since I got her. So she kind of know what big wings mean. And I'm still working on her with her hand. Hey, don't do that. She'd like to take this down. Hey, give me hand. Hand. Give me hand. Give me hand. Give me hand. Give me hand. Peppa. Hand. 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 Good girl. Good girl. So, you're working with her with that. She knows how to say peekaboo. Not on command though. She says peekaboo. She says pretty bird. She's starting to say good night. And she's starting to say good morning. She says her name, Peppa. And sometimes she's being in her cage in the morning saying, step up, Peppa, step up. And that's right, boo. You get in there. But as far as other tricks, we just trying to go with the flow. She get a little older and learn some more stuff and talk on command and trying to teach her know how to bite people. And she don't bite everyone. But she's a good bird. Anyway. And that's right, Peppa. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have. I mean, I just wanted to prank her on, because I ain't make a video with her in a while. So, you want to say bye, Peppa? Peppa, give me a hand. Give me a hand. Head rub. Head rub. Head rub. Alright. Alright, Myhouse TV. See ya.